Friends, over 20 U.S. states and cities have officially decided to send out financial relief to their residents. State officials have released new information as to who will be eligible for these checks. Friends, I know that many of you are wondering whether your state or city is sending out stimulus money. Friends, do make sure you watch until the end of this video because I will be sharing with you everything that you need to know on stimulus. Also, I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please make sure you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. During the months of October, November, and December, I will also be surprising several of you with $200 gift cards. It is a way to say thank you so much for joining me here every day. Thank you, friends.
Let me thank my true partner throughout this process, another SU alumni, and that is Governor Hochul. We make an unstoppable team, and if I didn't have her fighting alongside me for New York, we wouldn't be here celebrating today. I also want to thank your great county executive, Ryan McMahon. Where's Ryan? Who, through his leadership and vision, made White Pine the nation's premier greenfield for semiconductor manufacturing. The county executive, Center State CEO Rob Simpson, Building Trades President Greg Lancette, and a round of applause again for Shawnee Davis, as well as countless other local leaders, helped transform Central New York into a place that makes this investment possible. And of course, my dear friend, who I've come to know and become very close with, Sanjay Mehrotra, who built one of America's most innovative companies and is now following through on his vision of bringing leading-edge semiconductor manufacturing back to America, including right here in Central New York. In short, folks, this is a great day for Central New York and a great day for America. This is our future, and it is great. If there's a word to describe this moment, it's transformational. Transformation.
Although the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported that the unemployment rate dipped to 3.5% in September, inflation also remained near a 40-year high. And as a result, many American families are living paycheck to paycheck. The Internal Revenue Service has also made adjustments that could mean lower tax rates for millions of people next year. There are 20 states that have decided to send out some type of financial relief to their residents. Some of these payments may not be worth as much as a federal round of stimulus checks, but they could definitely help households who are struggling to put food on their table. Residents of Rhode Island will be receiving payments from the state government in the form of child tax rebates that pay families up to $250 per child for up to 3 children. An announcement from the office of Rhode Island Governor Dan McKay said the state started issuing these payments earlier this month. They will be dispersed to qualified taxpayers over the next several weeks. The rebates are part of the fiscal year 2023 budget that was signed by the governor and approved by the General Assembly. The rebates are available to Rhode Island residents, making up to $100,000 a year for individual filers and $200,000 a year for joint filers. The payments will be sent to nearly 115,000 Rhode Island families. According to the governor's office, the child tax rebate program allows the state to distribute over $40 million in direct support specifically to middle and lower income families with children. The high cost of living has Governor Tom Wolf pushing a reintroduced economic stimulus plan, but Republican state lawmakers say the plan lacks common sense. The Pennsylvania Opportunity Program would issue stimulus checks of up to $2,000 to qualified households making $80,000 or less. Its stated aim is to help families still recovering from the ongoing crisis and struggling with the effects of inflation. Governor Wolf threw his support behind this proposal for new stimulus checks. The governor said it's going to provide a needed buffer against high prices. It's going to give families the room to get back on their feet. I first proposed the Pennsylvania Opportunity Program way back in February, but Republican leaders wouldn't get on board with funding it. So friends, please let me know if your city or state has provided their residents with its own form of stimulus payments. Please leave those thoughts in the comments section below. Now friends, a new batch of inflation data that was released today showed that while prices remained uncomfortably high in September, a slowdown in wage growth indicates some relief may be in sight. That is an encouraging development for the Federal Reserve, which is battling to bring down the highest inflation in 40 years. The Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, which measures prices paid by consumers for goods and services, has climbed by 0.3% from August to September, but remained unchanged at 6.2% for the year. According to the latest report from the Bureau of Economic Analysis, Core PCE, which removes volatile food and energy prices and is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, climbed by 5.1%. That is higher than the August rate of 4.9%. From August to September, the core index rose by 0.5%. Separately, the Bureau of Labor Statistics released its latest employment cost index, which shows a slowdown in wage and salary growth in quarterly labor costs. The central bank keeps a close eye on the ECI report to monitor the extent to which skyrocketing inflation is boosting wages and fueling inflation. The latest numbers comes just days before the Fed meets to discuss another rate hike, and as Americans hit the polls to vote in the midterm elections. But some of the underlying metrics that could indicate a slowdown is on the horizon. Could mean that next week's rate increase may be that last one of that size. Millions of consumers have been struggling for many months, with prices that have remained firmly stuck at levels not seen since the 1980s. Despite a series of jumbo rate hikes from the Fed in its bid to tame inflation, the most recent Consumer Price Index showed that price increases continue to surge and that inflation has even spread from goods into the services sector in September. Please let me know if your grocery bills and energy bills have gone up due to inflation. Please leave those thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and greatest friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here when I post a new video. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Lawana Jenkins. Congratulations, my friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page or send me a message on my Facebook. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.